When we talk about keyboards, there are a few things we always look for: good build quality, hot swappable switches, wireless support, and decent software. The Luma84 ticks every one of those boxes and adds a gasket mount and low profile design on top, all under $110. On paper, the Luma84 sounds like a dream setup, but can it really deliver a premium experience without cutting corners? We spend time with it to find it out, and the results might just surprise you. Even before you start typing, the Luma84 feels refined, like with most of the EPOMAKER keyboards. The aluminum top gives it a bit of weight without making it heavy, and the compact layout sits low and looks clean on the desk. The keycaps are made from PBT, so you got that nice matte texture and won't wear down quickly. And once you sit down and actually start using it, you will notice that the Luma84 has a layout that keeps things really efficient. It uses a 75% layout, which means you get all the keys you actually use, like the arrows, function row, and navigation cluster, without the extra bulk of a number pad. Luma84 saves a ton of desk space but still feels natural if you are used to a full-size keyboard. There's a soft, cushioned feel to each key press, thanks to the gasket-mounted design. It adds a bit of flexibility without making the board feel loose. Inside, there are several layers of foam, under the keys, below the plate, and at the bottom, all working together to reduce noise and make each press feel smoother. Now, this overall smooth feel also depends on what kind of switch you're using. EPOMAKER gives you two options to choose from: reds, which press straight down and feel light and fluid, or browns, which add a soft bump for a bit more feedback. Both are low profile, so key travel is shorter, making everything feel quicker and easier on your hands. Customization doesn't stop at choosing switches. The Luma84 is fully hot swappable, which means you can take out any switch and replace it with another one. No soldering required. It supports both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, so you have a lot of flexibility if you ever want to change the feel of your keyboard. Luma84 also works with VIA, a tool you can open in your browser to change what each key does, create shortcuts, or adjust the lighting. You can even set up different layouts for Mac and Windows and switch between them when needed. Good lighting can make or break how a keyboard feels on your desk, and Luma84 absolutely nails this. Every key lights up individually, and you can pick from a bunch of lighting effects: static color, smooth fades, or reactive patterns when you type. The lights are south-facing, which just means they are aimed to avoid clashing with aftermarket keycaps. And if you want to tweak anything, it's all easy to manage through hotkeys or VIA. What we like about EPOMAKER is how they design their products to fit into your setup without making things complicated. The Luma84 is no different. It supports USB-C, Bluetooth, and 2.4G wireless, and can remember up to 5 devices, so moving between a laptop and a phone takes just a second.